With amazing smartphones and expensive cameras, it is easy to get clear, sharp images. But sometimes, photos can come out of focus because of low light, wrong settings or camera shake. This is why it is important to know how to fix out of focus images. SoftOrbits Easy Photo Unblur is an excellent tool, created specially for correcting missed focus, removing camera shake and bringing back sharpness to soft areas. You will see Reduce Blurring option on the right side of the toolbar on top. Click on this to open the different options for fixing focus. The most important features here are the 5 presets: light, gentle, soft, medium, and strong. Select the one which most closely represents the blur level of the image. In case your photo is highly out of focus, you will probably have to select medium or strong preset. Focus correction and increasing sharpness can also bring out some background noise. Easy Photo Unblur lets you correct this easily without having to use any other tool. In the main toolbar, you will see an image correction option. This contains options to change brightness, contrast, saturation, tint and gamma. These will help you adjust the photo and make the final touch-ups. The program uses an advanced blind deconvolution technique, which analyzes the distribution of each pixel, which can happen because of shake or motion blur. Then the program reduces the distribution and brings it back to the central position, giving you pixel level sharpness and removing blur. It is much more than just a simple sharpening tool. With its advanced algorithms, Easy Photo Unblur can not only fix out of focus images, but also reverse blurring effects, censor texts and Gaussian blur that is often put by selfie editing apps. Moreover, along with blur correction, this focus software has other basic editing options for brightness, saturation, tint etc. When you want to edit lots of photos at once without wasting time, you can use the batch mode of Easy Photo Unblur. Download SoftOrbits Easy Photo Unblur from our website softorbits.net.